bucket time! Oh, look! It's the 19th of December. The 19th of December. The number 19. Oh, I can't wait to find out what's in my bucket today. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. Let's all take a look. It's bucket time. What's inside? Come on. Let's all take a look. Fantastic! Look, my bucket has the number 19 on it. 19. What's inside? 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's very nice. Today's object begins with the letter G. The letter G. And that makes the G sound. G. Can you make that sound? Wow, really good. Yes, G. Now they're really fun to give to people and really nice to receive. They're wrapped up and it's really fun to open. Yes, it's gifts. Gifts. But there's something else inside my bucket. It's a little letter. Let me see who it's from. It's from the elves. It says, Sarah Jane and all your friends at home, that's us, we need your help. We've lost 5 presents. Oh no! And they don't know where they are. It says they need to find them before Father Christmas comes home. Do you think we could do this? I think we could. Let's work together and find the 5 gifts. I've got my magnifying glass. Come on, let's go and find them and help the elves. Hooray! Oh wow, look! We're at Santa's workshop where all the elves make the presents. Are you ready to find the presents with me? You are? Okay. You spot one already? Where? Behind me? There's a present right behind me. Let's take a look. Oh, I can't see it. Are you sure? Oh, above me. The present is up there in the sky. Oh yes, there it is. A present. We found the first one. Hooray!
Hooray!
Are you ready to find the second present with me? It's very chilly. We're out in the snow. You found one already? Over where? Over this way? Okay, let's take a look. Are you sure? Oh, behind me. There's a present right behind me. Oh yes, it's the second present. Good finding, guys.
Hooray!
Oh, look. We're in Santa's bedroom. Can you see a present anywhere? You can? Over there? A present over there? Okay, I'll go and have a look. Oh, yes. There is. It's the third present. Great finding. Let's go and find the other 2.
Hooray!
We're in a little igloo. I wonder if we could find any presents in the igloo. An igloo is a house made of ice. It's a little bit chilly. Can you find any presents? You can see one. Where? Over there? Wow, you guys are really good at finding presents. Wow, the fourth present. Present number 4. Great finding, guys.
Hooray!
One more present to go, guys. Present number 5. Do you know where it could be? It's down low. Okay, let me take a look. I can't see anything. Are you sure? Oh, it's this way. The present is this way. I can't see it. It's where? Right behind me. Oh, yes. What a cheeky little present. Hiding right behind me. Present number 5.
Hooray!
Look, we found all the presents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 presents. The elves are going to be so pleased with us. Fantastic finding, guys. Well done. Look, it's the number 19. 1 and 9 standing together make 19. 19. Oh, look, there's some cozy little mittens. But how many are there? Counting brains on. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Well done! 19 cozy mittens. Really great counting, guys. Today's number is the number 19.
Ho, 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 ho!
Wow, we did some really good finding today, guys. There's something in my bucket. It's another little letter. I think it's from the elves. It says, to Sarah Jane and all her fantastic helpers. That's you. We have put all 5 presents back in Santa's sack, ready for Christmas. Hooray! They said, thank you so much for all your help. They couldn't have done it without us. Wow, that's brilliant. Well, all the presents are safe and sound in Santa's sack. But what's going to be in my bucket tomorrow? With me, Sarah Jane, on Bucket Time. I can't wait to find out. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Remember, you're fantastic.